When the yarn meets the hook, it becomes more than just a look. Every scarf, every bag, every warm.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pia Crochet, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this meshed bralette. So this is very easy to make, and for the materials of this top you're going to be needing your balls of yarn. So this is less than 150 gram of yarn, so you'll be needing less than 150 gram of yarn for this top. Your hook size of 4.0 or 3.5, it depends on how you want it, measuring tape and scissors. So this is all you'll be needing to make this top. So you can make this in your preferred sizes and different colors. You don't necessarily have to use the same color as mine. You can customize this in your preferred color and preferred size. So please, if this is what you're interested in learning how to make, like, share and subscribe, and let's get right into class. So to begin this, the size of your bra cup depends on the number of chain you are going to be making. So if you are making for a small size, then you can go ahead and make a chain of 13. If you're making for a medium size, go ahead and make a chain of 16 to 17. And if you're making for large size, you can also make a chain of 17 to 18. Make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have my chain of 16 on a straight line. Then skip the first one, which is the last one you made, and go into the second one to make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, you yarn over, go into your stitch, pull up, pull through two, pull through two, go into the next stitch, pull up, pull through two, pull through two, go into the next stitch, pull up, pull through two, pull through two, go into the next stitch, pull up, pull through two, pull through two. So go into every stitch for a total of 15 because you already skipped one. So you have 15 stitches left. Into the last stitch, going with a double crochet. So now you have 15 stitches left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch. Don't skip the first stitch. So into the first stitch, going with 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet into every other stitches. So you're going to work 1 double crochet into every stitch back up. So into the 15th stitch you have 1 double crochet, then into that stitch you skip that chain 1, you're going to have 2 double crochets into it. Into the chain 1 you skipped, have 2 double crochet into it, 1, 2, chain 1, then into the same stitch another 2 double crochet to complete a total of 4 double crochets in a stitch. So now this is it. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet back down into every stitch. So into the first stitch 1 double crochet, into the next stitch 1 double crochet, into the next stitch. So every next stitch you have 1 double crochet back down without skipping a stitch. Into the last stitch, I'm going to place 1 double crochet. Make sure you have your last double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 2, turn. Into the first stitch, which was previously the last stitch, you're going to have 1 double crochet. Then continue 1 double crochet until you get to your next chain 1, which is here. So continue having 1 double crochet into every stitch until you get to your chain 1. Into the last stitch here, make sure you have double crochet into it, don't skip it. Then into your chain 1, going with 2 double crochets, chain 1, then another 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then into the first stitch here, 1 double crochet. Then you can work 1 double crochet back down into every stitch. So 1 double crochet into every stitch, into the last stitch. So chain 2, turn. Into the first stitch, 1 double crochet. So you're going to continue this until you have your bust circumference divided by 4. So I'm working on 35 inches as the bust circumference. Divided by 4 is going to be 8.75. So I'm going to continue until I have 8.75 as my total length. So this is 3.25. So I'm going to continue until I have 8.75, which is this. So into every stitch, going with 1 double crochet until you get to your chain 1. So your chain 1 is the increase point where you have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. Don't forget to place your double crochet into the stitch before your chain 1. So into the chain 1, you have 2 double crochet, chain 1, then another 2 double crochets. Then into the stitch, going 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet back down. So you're going to continue going descending and ascending order. So once you get back down, you chain 2, walk back up to this point, chain 2 this way. So until you have your bust circumference divided by 4. I have the 2 panels here. So one is done and the other is almost done. So this is 8.75 inches. This is 8.75 inches, which is 1/4 of my bust circumference. So for this one, all I need to do is connect. This is the last row. I have 8 rows here. So this is the last row to complete the 8 rows. So all I need to do is connect together with this. Then connect. Connect this. Then you can either chain 1 or you just have your 2 double crochet into the stitch. So 2 double crochet into it. So now this is connected together. Then you can work 1 double crochet back down until you get to the last stitch. So this is joined together. Now all you need to do is to extend the length of this. So the waist measurement I'm working on is 27 inches. So I'm going to make a chain that is going to stretch to 27 inches. So right now I have 16 inches. So I'm going to make my chain up to 21 inches. So 21 inches is still going to be bust to bust measurement, but right now we are working on under bust, so which is going to stretch to the waist. So I'm going to make a chain of 21 inches. I have 16 inches, so 16 to 21 inches is 5 inches. So I'm going to make 2.5 inches here and 2.5 inches on the other side. So 2.5 inches on this point and 2.5 inches on this point. So here I'm going to make a chain of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I already have my chain of 13 on this point. So I'm going to cut, then press down. Right now I should be having, so right now I have my 2.5 inches on this point. I'm also going to make a chain of 13 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to make extra chain of 2. 1, 2. So which means I'm going to skip 3 stitches. I'm going to skip my chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to be left with a chain of 12. So skip 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th stitch, going with 1 double crochet. So now this is 1 double crochet, chain 1. You're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, skip this, and into this, going with 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next, going with 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next chain, going with 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next chain, going with 1 double crochet. So this is the repeat for this. You're going to chain 1, skip this stitch, and into the next stitch you're going with 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this, into the next, 1 double crochet. So now I've gotten to the last end, and this is 21 inches. This is 21 inches. So now to begin row 2, you're going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain extra 1, 1. So this extra one is going to be the space for this chain. So go into your double crochet to place 1 double crochet. Into the next double crochet, you're going to chain 1, skip your chain space, and into the next double crochet, going with 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip your chain space, going to the next double crochet. So we are only working into the double crochet. So chain 1, go into the next, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, go into the next double crochet, place 1 double crochet. So now you are skipping over your chain 1. Chain 1, go into the next double crochet, place 1 double crochet. Chain 1, go into the next double crochet, place 1 double crochet. So this is it. Chain 1, skip your chain space and go into the next double crochet with one double crochet. So I'm getting to the last point here, so we're going to chain one, then skip this, then into the next, into place one double crochet. So that's just skipping a chain. I'm going to the next chain to it to place one double crochet. So you're going to chain four, 1 2 3 4. So this is one double crochet, chain one, then go in to the next double crochet with one double crochet. So this is one double crochet, chain one, go into the next one double crochet, chain one, go into the next one double crochet, chain one, next one double crochet, chain one, the double crochet into the already made double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet. So we'll meet up at the end again. Into this last point again, going to chain one, skip this chain and into the next chain, going with one double crochet, chain four, 1 2 3 4, which is one double crochet, chain one. So go into the next, place one double crochet, chain one, into the next, place one double crochet, chain one, into the next, place one double crochet. So I have 9 rows here. That's 9 rows of the mesh. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and total length now from this point is 12.5 inches. So the next thing now, we're going to go in with a scallop, which is also known as the slope. So you're going to chain one, into the stitch, going with a slip stitch, then into the next stitch, also going with a slip stitch, chain. I'm going to make a chain of 3, 1 2 3, which counts as the first double crochet. So you're going to place extra 3 double crochet into this. So which means we have 4 double crochets here in total. So into the next stitch, which is a chain one, you're going to slip stitch into the next, then chain 3 and place 4 extra 3 double crochet to complete 4. So now this is it. Slip stitch into this, slip stitch into the next, chain 3 into the same stitch, place extra 3 double crochets. So right now this is 4 double crochets. Slip stitch into the next, chain 1, slip stitch into the next, chain 1. So you're having slip stitch into 2, chain 1. So chain 3 and place 3 double crochet into the same stitch. So you're going to keep repeating this for this base until you get to the last. So slip stitch into the next, chain 1, and to the next, chain 1 to 8, slip stitch, chain 3 and into the same stitch place 3 extra double crochets. So I'm just going to slip stitch into this, chain 1, single crochet. So I'm going to go 2 single crochets into my chain, so under double crochet, into the next double crochet, going to place 2 single crochets, into this 2 single crochets. To make a single crochet, you go in directly, you have to loop, pull through the 2, so repeat the same. So into the double crochet, you're going to go 2 single crochet each. So once you have 2 single crochets into the double crochet, you're going to chain 1, turn, place another 1 single crochet here, then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third, going with 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. The next you have 1 single crochet, next to it 1 single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third, going with 1 single crochet, next 1 single crochet, next to it again 1 single crochet. So meaning you are having 3 single crochets into 3 stitches before your chain 2. So you chain 2 again, skip 2, 1, 2, into the third, going with 1 single crochet, then into the next 2, going with 1 single crochet each, chain 1, turn. So go 1 single crochet into every stitch, including your chain 2. So the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet each. Into the chain 2, place 2 single crochets, back to the top. So I'm going to chain 1, into the same stitch, place 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet each into every stitch, including the chain 1 single crochet, into the double crochet, 1 single crochet, into the chain 1, you have 1 single crochet, into the double crochet, place 1 single crochet, into the chain 1, 1 single crochet. So once you get to this point, you're going to skip this loop, skip the double crochet, and go into the next standing loop, which is this. So you're going to skip this loop, skip the double crochet, and into the turning loop, going with 1 single crochet. So now go 2 single crochets into every stitch, into the double crochet, go 2 single crochets, into the double crochet, 2 single crochets. I've gotten to this middle, so I'm going to go into the next one with a slip stitch. So now I'm going to start connecting. So into this stitch, going to connect, then into the next stitch, going with 1 single crochet. That's the opposite. The next stitch here, I'm going to connect this. Then the next stitch, which is opposite, going with 1 single crochet, come into this to connect, go into the next, which is the opposite, going with 1 single crochet, then connect on this point, repeat the same. So keep joining this way. So we're just reducing the amount of cleavage showing. So this now, then we can start going one single crochet back up. Then repeat the same thing we have here up to this point. We're going to repeat it on this other side. So now I'm back to this point. So I need to chain 2, then cut. Go into the stitch, pull up a strand and tie 2 times. Then cut. So now that this is done, this is what our scallop looks like. So now we're going to make a chain for the strap. So going into the lower stitch, this is a 2-strand yarn, but I'm doubling to 4. So going into the upper stitch here, going to go in again, then make a chain. I'm making a very long chain. I'm not counting, but a chain that's going to be long enough to crisscross at the back. You're going to make a long chain to customize to your own size. That'll be long enough to make a crisscross. So just make a long chain. So now I have a very long chain on the 2 panel. So now I'm going to, this is the outer part and this is the inner part. So I'm going to turn to the inner part, then start to crisscross. So fold this and start crisscrossing. So you're going to pass your strap into the hole you created, which is the chain 2 space. Then into the next chain 2 space, you're going to pass your strap through it. Then tie. So now our bralette is done. So now we're going to take the measurement of the total length of our bralette. So this is still 12.5 inches. And for the waist measurements, this is now almost 24 inches, which is 12 inches on fold. So yeah, and this is what our scallop looks like. So thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.